Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are having a great day today. So today I'm gonna bring back this Mickey Mouse tutorial. I'm actually gonna teach you guys how to do it step by step now, because I know that I made a video a couple years back and I was way younger. I didn't really teach how to do it step by step and a lot of people were complaining, but a lot of people seem to love it. I got the most views on that video. So yeah. This is the bag. I actually added the ears this time, so it looks like so much better than I did it when I was like younger. So, okay, so the first thing that you're gonna need is some cardstock. No, actually you're gonna need black paper bags. You can choose any size you want because you can obviously do them bigger, smaller, and still use the same technique. You're obviously just gonna have to measure your measurements for the sizes of your bags. So I choose these. They're 8.5 by 5.25 inches, and the width doesn't matter, but they're 3.5 inches when open. So yeah, the next thing you're gonna need are cardstocks. You're gonna need red cardstock, white cardstock, and black cardstock. So this is what I use to cut the red square. You obviously don't even need anything fancy like this. This is not fancy, but like I think I got it for around $16 at Walmart a long time ago. But you don't need that. You can simply like get a bag. I'm showing you for the people that don't have these tools. You can get a bag. I'm just gonna show you like quickly like. You can just like glue the paper to the bag and then cut around it, just in case you're not able to get your hands on this. But the way that I do it, if you want to know how I do it exactly to look this neat, follow this. So on this, I drew lines where to cut. So like right here is a line and right here is a line, and then down here is a line. But you need to do that on your own. But I'm going to show you with a ruler, like the size that I cut out once it's done. So you slide this up. My nephew is helping me be the videographer, so I'm asking him if you can see what I'm doing. So I just slice this down. And then that was my line there, and you're left with this, and then I have my line here. So what I do is you slice it this way and you're left with the perfect little rectangle. So let me show you guys the measurement of this in case you just want to like draw it onto a piece of paper. This is around 5 inches. 5 and 1 little line, so like 5 inches. It depends on your bag, remember that. Depending on the size of your bag, you're gonna go from there. And this is 3 and 1/4 inches. So there's that. The first thing that I'm going to glue is this onto this. So let me move this out of the way now that I'm done with it. So you're going to need a glue gun and glue. I get my glue at a local craft store. To be honest, guys, I actually bought glue from Michael's, and it's very expensive for a very little amount, and it did not work for me. Like, it was not gluing any of my things for my bags that I do. And as soon as I was able to get some of the one that I buy at my local craft store, it was working perfectly. So I knew that it was the glue. So then what you do is that you glue like that, and you just glue the paper onto it like this. If you live in the LA area or East LA area, there's a craft store there. That's where I go. It's called Whittier Crafts. I actually lived around there for a while. So that's my go-to till this day. There's also one in Huntington Park. So just make sure that you like glue it so you won't be able to see the shape of the glue. The next thing that you're going to do, this is what I use for my circle punch. It's called Fiskars. Fiskars, I believe it's a 2-inch circle. So this is what I use for the ears. These bags are so easy and cute. Like, you can just use them for anything. Let's see. So you just punch it out. This one works so easy. Like, I highly recommend this. I got this on Amazon. I believe it was around $11 to $13, but it was worth it. So then you put your paper to the side because we're not going to need it anymore for now. The red or the black. And you just get your bag. Get your glue gun. And on the corner, you just put a little amount of glue here. And you hold that down as well. I use the line, like the holders. Remember that I do come across these type of bags with smaller holders, so just try to master like knowing where to put it so it can look right. With crafting, nothing is perfect. It's all art, so you just you know, don't be too picky, but I do try to be as neat as possible. Looking back at my old video, I was just like, wow, like so many people liked it, and they weren't even that neat. Like, I wasn't you know, neat, but they're still very creative and affordable for your kids' parties, for your parties. Mickey's always going to be very popular. So you do the same thing to the other side. You just hold it down. Okay. Now the last step is putting on the oval shapes. I do know that the new Mickey on like Mickey Mouse Clubhouse has buttons. Like, you can see circles, so you can also use circles. You could probably get a smaller one of these and just use it to like make little circles. But I still stick to the ovals for the classic look. So you get two ovals. I'm not going to show you guys. Okay, so they also have one of these. The Fiskars or Fiskars. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's an oval punch. But ever since I bought it from Amazon, it was damaged. Like, it doesn't cut properly. So I do have a cameo silhouette. And I made the ovals on there now. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So I would still use it up until I got my cameo because I would need it. But look, you see how this one doesn't come out neat and it's like hard. I should have returned it, but I didn't get around to that. You can also draw like a oval or get a an object that you have at home and like just trace it and then cut the ovals out with scissors, as well as the circles. You can do that in case you guys can't you know, buy one of these. But this is what it looks like. So what I would do when I absolutely had to use this was I would like go around this with scissors and just like kind of fix it, but it doesn't look as neat because it gets folded. So yeah, I made these ovals on my cameo. So the last step that you're gonna do is you get glue on your oval. I just kind of guess where to put these. I don't really know exactly where to put them, but I just put them where I believe it's gonna look right. So then you get the other one. If you hear music in the background, it's because my 3-year-old is in here. And it's the only way that I have her entertained so she won't like interrupt my video. So yeah. You just like hold it. I just do this so that it can like, I know the glue starts like going flat and it won't stay like with bumps. So yeah guys, this is what it comes out to look like. I think these are so cute for any occasion, and I really wanted to make an update video because these look so much neater. So yeah guys, I say that a lot. Sorry, I need to find new wording, but I hope that you guys honestly enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't so already. I actually have an Etsy shop as well. It's called Crafty Kiara Creations. I'll link the link down below to it in case you guys want to see what I sell on there. And you can actually add a cute little tag to this, anything. I do have Minnie Mouse inspired favorite bags that are updated as well, and they are so beautiful. I will try to be making a video on that very soon. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Bye!